How can I determine the location of a flaw using the TCM? Let's find out step by step. In this video, I present our position encoder for the array probe and standard pen probe. I'll start by connecting the encoder, show you the settings, and demonstrate 2 crack tests. Before setting up the encoder, the setup for the probe needs to be done. I prepared the setup before so that a crack with a depth of 0.8 mm can be detected. If you would like to know how to set up the probe, please have a look at our step-by-step guide for flaw detection with the TCM. You can find the link in our video description. To use the position encoder, it must be mounted on a probe. Both standard pen probes and our array probes can be used with it. I use a standard pen probe with a Defectoscope app. Then I connect the position encoder via USB-C connection. The system automatically recognizes the encoder. The hardware is now set up correctly. Now I set up the software. The position encoder can be selected at the top of the Trace Time menu item. Here's the encoder. To see which distance the probe traveled, the chart needs to be changed to the C chart. I position the probe and start testing. The distance scale can now be seen at the bottom of the screen. The distance between the cracks is 50 mm. Now I show you the encoder with our standard array probe and the ECA app. At the x-axis and the y-axis you can see the position and the length of the cracks. This concludes our encoder with the TCM. For additional technical demonstrations and detailed product insights, please explore our other videos on this channel. Subscribe to stay informed about our latest testing procedures and solutions.